Rockstar and business success both start with dreams.
So what is different about rock stars? They don't just want to get by, pay the bills. They want to dominate the world. Years ago, reasonable may have gotten you by, but today, reasonable just isn't profitable. Will your comeback story be greater than your setback story? As entrepreneurs, business owners, we want more than just satisfied customers. We want raving fans who will enthusiastically go out and tell everybody how awesome our services are, our experiences are. But if we are not excited, how do we expect to get everybody else excited? Because there are millions of musicians out there, but very few rock stars. Rock stars stand out in the crowd. How are you being heard above the noise? Kiss knew they wanted to create a rock spectacle. They knew they weren't just creating a band, they were creating a brand. They weren't just music giants, they were business giants.
He really brought out some great ideas that we can take back to our band members and really promote opportunity and growth within our organization.
Today we're going to tap into and unleash your inner rock star. Go deep about what you're really passionate about, and then give you the framework to bring it to life. What are you willing to do that others are not? Steve Jobs' model for business wasn't Thomas Edison or Andrew Carnegie. It wasn't Warren Buffett or Jack Welch. Steve Jobs' model for business was the Beatles. They were four young guys who kept each other's negative tendencies in check. They balanced each other, and the total was greater than the sum of their parts. If you want to achieve rockstar success and drive change, you have to surround yourself with the right kind of people.
Oh my goodness.
Marvel Smart was awesome.
He really taps into the rock star within all of us.
And the four cards, so good.
His message was profound.
Marvelous Mark rocks.
It doesn't matter if you're experiencing this presentation live or virtually. My commitment to you is to give you the same level of engagement, excitement, and energy. And I ask for that same level of commitment back. Why? Because that's what rock stars do. They always play full out no matter where they are or what their current situation is. And I deliver the same presentation to the nosebleed section as I do to the home office section. So let's get ready to rock. I love this quote from Jerry Garcia. He says, "You do not merely want to be considered the best at what you do, you want to be considered the only one who does what you do."
I thought it was fabulous. Energetic, fun, got us on our feet. It was great.
Super high energy rock star.
So who's ready to be brilliant?
That's the energy we all need to have for this business to survive.
Success doesn't happen without hard work and performing like a rock star every day.